5 AI videos every single day, sent straight to your phone. No editors, no team meetings, no manual work. Right now, I'm going to show you how one business owner replaced his entire content pipeline with a single Telegram bot. And the best part, he still controls everything. He still chooses what goes live. He just stopped wasting time on the boring stuff. A few months ago, a business owner came to me. Sharp guy, runs a serious operation. He knows social media matters. He knows posting every day is the game. His problem, he didn't have time to create content, and he definitely didn't want to manage a team of freelancers. He told me, Anton, I don't want to become a content creator. I want to run my business. I want high-quality videos delivered to me so I can pick the winner and post it. That's it. He wanted to stay in control. He just didn't want to waste hours every week making it happen. So here's what we built. We created a personal content factory that runs automatically in the background. Think of it like having a small team that never sleeps, never complains, and never needs a paycheck. The system lives inside a tool called N8N. Don't worry if you've never heard of it. It's just automation software. You don't need to be a tech genius to use it. Here's how it works. 5 times a day, the system wakes up. It picks a random topic from a list of 6 themes. Why randomize? Because if you post the same type of content every day, your audience gets bored. Variety keeps people engaged. Once it picks a theme, the system sends it to GPT 4.1. GPT writes a detailed plan for a short video. This plan is called a prompt, and it tells the AI exactly what kind of video to create. Then the magic happens. That prompt goes straight into Google Veo 3. If you haven't seen Google Veo, it's one of the most advanced AI video tools on the planet right now. It makes videos that look almost like real footage. Now, normally getting access to Google Veo is expensive and honestly kind of annoying. That's why we connected to it through an API service called Kai. It's the cheapest way to use Google Veo 3 right now. The cool part, if a better video AI comes out tomorrow, like a new version of OpenAI Sora or Clink, we can swap it in without rebuilding anything. It's like changing the engine in a car without buying a new car. So now the videos are done. What happens next? They don't sit in some cloud folder. They don't get lost in any mail. They go straight to his Telegram. My client wakes up in the morning. He opens Telegram while he's having coffee, and there they are. 5 fresh, high-quality videos. He watches them. One is perfect, he saves it. He posts it. One is weird, he ignores it. Total time spent 1 minute, and his brand stays active every single day. Now, here is where this gets even better. Right now, he's still downloading the videos to his phone. That works fine. But the system can do more. We are adding approve and decline buttons right in the chat. Imagine this, you watch a video, you click approve. The bot instantly posts it to TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, whatever. It writes the caption, it adds the hashtags, it handles everything. Your Telegram becomes a remote control for your entire content strategy. I've already built this for other clients and it works. If you are a business owner and you're tired of being stuck in the weeds of content creation, if you'd rather spend your time closing deals and building your company, this system can work for you. Send us an email, the link is in the description. My team builds custom AI system for business owners who value their time. Let's see if we can build one for you. The old way of making content is dying. The manual way doesn't scale. Your competitors are already automating. They're posting every day without lifting a finger. You can either keep grinding or you can use a system that works for you. Your time is the only thing you can't buy back. So stop wasting it. Now you've got the videos automated, delivered. What's next? Posting them everywhere. With one click, no downloads. I already shown how to do this in another video. Watch it next. I'll see you there.